Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Thank you for coming back for another day of Tesla technical analysis. I hope you all had a chance to watch Tesla AI Day last Thursday. It was an eye-opening event for me, and as an investor, I'm incredibly excited that Tesla is now an AI company in addition to an EV manufacturer company. I know all along that Tesla is a technology company, but the level of innovation and the speed of such innovations have been phenomenal, and I'm floored by their accomplishments, and I'm so excited to be holding on to these shares for the next decade. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. I love trading Tesla. I love watching Tesla technical analysis on a daily basis, in addition to gathering all the news out there about Tesla. There are a lot of channels that cover great news and analysis about Tesla on a daily basis. So I thought I would give you a little bit of technical analysis. I know as an investor, you guys probably don't care about day-to-day price action, but it's important to take a look at chart and to predict the next potential upcoming trend, whether bullish or bearish, so we can plan accordingly. I will also start a new series of technical analysis for two of my other favorite stocks, which are Amazon and Shopify. I will share with you my investing and trading strategy for Amazon. For Shopify, I'm strictly a trader in Shopify. I think the valuation is too high for me to invest in Shopify at the moment. I definitely like to walk you through my trading strategies with Shopify, and Shopify has been pretty consistent for me as a trader. So without further ado, let's get right into Tesla technical analysis for today, August the 23rd. Here's the daily chart. At the time of this recording, which is 2:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tesla is at around $709, which is above the 704 resistance level that I've previously discussed with you guys. The volume right now is at 80%, and we still have a little bit over an hour and a half to go. So the volume is definitely good for Tesla today. The daily candle shows a bullish engulfing candle. Tesla should fill the gap between today and tomorrow at 716. So last Monday to be exact, Tesla gapped down in light of the NHTSA's investigation, gapped down from 716 the Friday before, opening up at 704, and then lost a bunch of different supports. Ended the day last week at 686. Today it has reclaimed at least the first gap, and then is making its way to the second gap here, and it would close that gap at 716. I think the Tesla could potentially get there toward the end of the day. If not, probably tomorrow or the day after. So let's decompress a little bit and see what really happened to Tesla stock after AI Day. So AI Day was on Thursday after the market closed, which was after this particular candle happened. The next day, Tesla proceeded to open in the green and went all the way to about 692 and start retracing back, ended the day around 680. So it was a sell-off, but it wasn't a crash. Tesla held this level, which means that it's still within the bullish continuation zone. But given the fact that it was after a big event, nobody knows if it's going to fall off after or continue bullish momentum, right? But I gotta say, from an investor's point of view, Tesla's AI Day was probably the biggest event in Tesla history, and potentially the biggest event in human history. I do think that we could get to a very interesting era with robot being a companion of human and assist human in multiple ways, including providing proper labor for the workforce. I think this is big news for Tesla. It serves a number of purposes, one of which is diversification for a product that Tesla has not even matured in. It has a lot of room to grow, and it already thinks of diversification, so this is outstanding. The second aspect of it is that Tesla is and has been the pioneer in the AI technology sector when it comes to humanoid robot. And I think that could opens up a brand new, different revenue segment for Tesla in years to come. And so if Tesla is a car company and a full self-driving technology company, the revenue scale up could last about 10 to 15 years. But if Tesla ventures into the humanoid robot space, the revenue spectrum could rise to the next 20 to 30 to even 50 years. So I do think that this company has a lot going on, and the stock price right now, as an investor, I think it is extremely undervalued. A bunch of analysts will come out with their estimates in the next few weeks and months, and we will see a huge amount of upgrades for Tesla. Of course, there's always possibility that Tesla could fail. Tesla is no longer the small company that could potentially go bankrupt. Tesla has billions of cash on hand, and it could venture out to do R&D for these types of projects. So I'm super excited as an investor. As a trader, let's take a look and see what is the potential bullish momentum for Tesla and how it could carry Tesla. Now, so it all depends on how the traders in the market out there value the intel that they received from Tesla AI Day. So if you take a look at the daily chart here, you can see that the next price level is 735 and 746. After that, you're looking at 768. 793 and 824. Now, I will let the analysts do the valuation to justify whatever price value it is that Tesla should get to. But from a technical level, I do think that this is a huge event for Tesla, and it could get Tesla all the way back up to the 800s within a short amount of time. Today, volume is good, but it's not outstanding. So I want to see a few more days to see what the price action looks like. But if Tesla ends the day above 704 today, I would say we definitely has resumed bullish. Looking at the hourly chart here, this is a beautiful consolidation pattern. Tesla broke out for the first 2 hours of the day, topped it off on the third hour, and then start consolidating for the last 2 hours and a half. This means that the bullish momentum is there. The sellers are not going in and sell fast, and this momentum here is not a fake out for Tesla. Even by the end of the day, if Tesla retraced to about 704 or even 701, that is still pretty bullish for the day. The trading range for tomorrow range from 732 on the upper end, 700 at the mid pivot point, and at the bottom we're looking at 689, which also coincides with my previous support here. I think that if Tesla has the right momentum, it could get to well above 732 tomorrow, and it could get to 746 even within a short term. Looking at the weekly chart here, I know today is only Monday, so the weekly candle here is not representative of this week. But if you look at the much bigger picture, I've mentioned before that Tesla has strong support at 550, and it has formed a double bottom also at 550 and start moving up. Right now, it is, from a weekly standpoint, is still moving sideways for the last, I want to say, 4 weeks. If Tesla get to above 746 on the weekly chart, it would be very bullish, and it could fly to above 800 within a short amount of time. I think this is one of the situations where we really have to see how analysts look at Tesla in a short and long term from an investing standpoint. And if you are already a bull in Tesla, I'm pretty sure you understand the implication of a humanoid robot that Tesla is producing. A prototype will be coming out next year, and it could be potentially in full production the year after. It could wipe out a lot of different industry that relies on manual labor to do repetitive work. And it's hard to speculate which industries those are right now. But for example, if you're looking at a manufacturer, the assembly line could be fully automated, and you could see robots standing there doing work as opposed to workers. And if these robots are priced at a reasonable price, you could see that of the vast majority of manufacturing facilities in North America, if not the entire world, will be buying these robots. And the level of sales and revenue that these robots could create for Tesla could be ginormous. And I'm not talking yet on the retail level side. This is just on a commercial side. On the retail side, when you're looking at a humanoid robot, you could easily, especially if priced reasonably, It could do yard work, gardening, clean your house for you. It could even run errands for you, such as it could go inside a Tesla, automate the Tesla with full self-driving, go to the supermarket and pick up some grocery stuff for you. It could operate very much autonomously from human supervision. Of course, then you're talking about the complexity of regulations and how these robots could actually be rolled out on a commercial level. And I personally see Tesla not just as an automobile company, not just as a technology company, but it will be disrupting multiple industries for decades to come. Back to the 30-minute chart here, between the volume of over 80% by now and the fact that it has been consolidating for the last almost 3 hours, it tells me that the breakout today is not a fake breakout. After all, Tesla is over 4% in the green compared to last week, and it has not been retracing very much. Even if, like I said, even if it retraces back down to 704 or 700, I still feel good that Tesla bullish run could continue. And on the daily chart, this is incredibly bullish. It's a bullish engulfing and potentially could close the gap up here. If Tesla consolidates tomorrow, I would probably enter a call because I do think that when Tesla does consolidate within a certain range, premium could be stabilized and it's not going to be as inflated as today. Conversely, if Tesla gaps up in the morning and stay up with an indecision candle, I would also enter a call. I will wait until the end of the day tomorrow to start a position there, but I think this is good news for the bulls. So this is it for this video. I hope you find the information helpful. Do come back for more technical analysis. I plan to do Tesla technical analysis at least 2 times a week. Hopefully this week I could do more than that. I would also like to add Shopify and Amazon technical analysis for all of you. If you have any other stocks that would be interested to you, definitely comment down below and I will do my best to make another video for you. Until the next video, bye.